Here this morning. We got non-farm payrolls coming out. Let's take the look at the session, the entire session yesterday. Okay, so if you play yesterday's video, we did a video yesterday at 8:20, 8:25 yesterday, and there's a projected low that I did on the video looking for a buy signal at this level. So if you're trying to learn the system, or if you're trying to understand how we can project these deep liquidity grabs, or these liquidity grabs before this move up yesterday. So this was projected, this low was projected yesterday before this move even occurred. So play yesterday's video, play 9-4 video that Gerald downloaded on our website, and you'll see this area was our projected liquidity grab low. Now, how do we do it, and how can we project the next one coming this morning on a possible nice move? So what you want to do, and I'll skinny this down a little bit so you can see it before the move up yesterday. So yesterday at 8:20, the market was in a move down here. So we played a video yesterday saying we have a possible buy setup coming in the market. And our liquidity grab area was this area. And I explained why, so I won't go in detail what is a liquidity grab and why this was the area to look for the big possible potential move. Just play yesterday's video 9-4, and I go in great detail why this was the area to look for the potential reversal. So, but basically, in summation, for a recap of yesterday, let's look at the entire session so you can see we're looking at the entire whole session right there. So if I take this out, you'll see we have a green trend filter. This is our green trend filter. They run parallel with each other. So this is our zone, trend filter zone. And if it's green, we're looking to buy the retracement, or we're trying to buy a liquidity grab, meaning what they like to do is they like to pull the market back, sweep these lows out. So they'll sweep these lows out. Okay, they'll sweep the lows out, catch the wrongly positioned traders, bring it down into these projected zones that we have, and then they like to reverse it with a reversal candle. That's exactly what they did. So yesterday, if you play the video in 9-4, I go in great detail why this was the projected low at 8:20. The projected low came in at 8:10:23, a little less than 2 hours later. And the close of that candle was at 65.5. And the swing high rallied up to 65.31. So 64.65, 65.31. Look at that push. Really a big giant move in the S&P. 65, 64.65, 65.31. So 60-point potential move on the S&P, and it was vertical. It just kept going up. So what we want to do, if we look at today, we got the same type of setup. We're coming down to my 25 proprietary liquidity grab zone, and we're right inside of it right now. So what are we expected to do? We're looking for a move up before I break the market structure. Market structure is right here. I need a reversal candle to come in before 65.10. So 65.10 is the line in the sand, or what we call market structure. So as long as I hold 65.10 when non-farm payrolls get released, you may see a reversal candle, and that will be our projected liquidity grab low. So these are very leading. You can see that why we do these videos. I'm going to do a video every Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and just show you can project these things 15 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hour ahead of time where these reversals can occur. Because what happens is that they like to sweep the market lower and break these swing lows. I explained this in great detail in yesterday's video, what liquidity grab is. But I said once they sweep these lows, which I was correct on the video, they're going to try to grab liquidity. They swept these lows out right into our zone. And sure enough, about an hour and a half, hour and 40 minutes later, they swept these lows out. Had a nice little order block, these order block buys, and they gave a nice reversal candle. And then it was on its move to the upside. All right, so just like this morning, now we're down into my 25 buy zone. So the counter trend traders are coming in. We call them the rolling position traders. Just like yesterday, I said these are wrongly positioned possible traders coming in the market, pushing the market down, sweeping these lows out, sweeping these stops out. So they swept the stops out right into our buy zone, projected buy zone. Our projected buy zone was projected at 6 o'clock in the morning. So 6:14 in the morning, this projected buy zone was up. And then it came right down to it at 10 a.m. in the morning, 4 hours later. That's how this is a leading indicator. These do not repaint. These are leading zones. Now what happens is if we break this zone at 65.10, what do? Well, it's breaking market structure then. Market structure has been broken. And we're going to simply look for the market, a failure in the market to come down, rotate back up, and we're going to look for a sell zone, and we're going to try to take it lower. All right, very simple. Very sophisticated algorithm, but very easy to see where the entries are possible on reversals in the zones. All right, so we'll see if we can get news comes out here in about 2 minutes for non-farm payrolls. It's going to be fast. Remember, fast at the open. So we'll sit for a few minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, and then we'll get ready for the non-farm payroll release coming up. We'll look at our zones. This is our projected zones. We nailed them yesterday. I had these projected zones projected yesterday. I said if we break this zone of 91 3/4, our next target was 13. Went right to it, broke out, retested it, went right to it. These are valid for today also. I'm going to keep them up. I'll adjust them for you members again. Remember, we use market profile that's been around since 1985 to find out where market participation has been for our targets, and our targets have been dead on this week on market profile. So it's been a very productive week with the system. So let's see if we can have another productive day.